What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ariel. I'm sorry I'm talking like this. My body's in like the crazy amount of pain right now. As you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, you guys know that I got a personal trainer now and that I've been doing like it's 3 workouts a day because I have to do my intermittent fasting workout alone, and then I have to do 2 other workouts with my trainer. Each of them is about an hour long, so I'm working out at about 3 hours a day, 5 days a week. So you can only imagine how sore you would be if you were working out that much. But I do want to talk a little bit about today as this vlog goes on. I just want to kind of let you guys know that material items and all those things that you guys love asking me about can be obtained by anybody, and it's just through manifestation and setting a goal and going out and doing it. And throughout the vlog I'm going to touch on that a little bit just so that you guys can know that you can do it also. So we're going to get into that throughout the vlog. Alright guys, so I got my coffee. I should feel alive right now. I'm going to just enjoy this iced cappuccino from my favorite, Slave to the Grind, real quick. And yeah, we're gonna keep this Friday rolling. Hopefully this gives me a nice little pick-me-up before I start my next workouts. Man, just driving while recording stuff is not as easy as it looks. It's actually very hard. Alright guys, so this is about as good of an angle as I'm gonna get right now because I'm still figuring out how to like position my tripod and everything in the Jeep. But just to kind of touch a little bit on manifesting and setting a goal and going after it, because I post these things and I don't come from crazy wealth. I don't come from anything like that. I work very hard. I've always worked hard, and you know, anything that you guys want in life, whether that's like literally anything, I don't need to name anything, but whether it's a house or whatever it is, just set the goal and go hard for you. Manifest it. Make a mood board. What I like to do is I like to go into my notepads in my phone, and I'll make a goal list of things that I strive to achieve, and that I really want. And over time, you know, you slowly, you work, you take care of everything that's important first, and then one by one you start to see everything literally coming off of your list that you achieve. And everybody's end goal is different. Everybody's length to get to that end goal is different. Some people could do it in a day. Some people it takes a year. But it's not the point. As long as you work hard and go hard for you and you set your goal, you'll achieve it. You just have to stay focused. That's the main thing. Just manifest it. Just know in your head you're gonna do this regardless of anything. Obviously don't rob a bank, nothing like that, but just manifest it. Be positive. There's gonna be harder days than others, but the end goal is that you will get whatever it is that you want. So I just wanted to shed some positivity on everybody's day in this vlog, and just let everybody know that anything you want is achievable. Just go hard for you. And I'm gonna continue with this vlog now. So let's keep this rolling. Alright guys, so I'm showered. I did my second workout, so I feel pumped up for the day. And I'm gonna start running my errands now. So we're probably gonna shoot downtown to Tiffany & Co. because my sister actually gave birth to a beautiful baby girl about a month and a half ago, my niece. And I've been wanting to get her a congratulations gift. And if you guys have been following me since day one, you would know that my sister is actually the reason I even do these YouTube videos. So yeah, I just feel like I owe her like a nice little gift, and you know, eventually this gift can be passed down to my niece when she's old enough to appreciate it. So yeah, we're gonna shoot down to Tiffany & Co. Now I'm gonna pick up the gift. I'll show you guys what I picked out for both of them, and yeah, so let's jump into that next clip right now. Alright guys, welcome back and good morning. It's a new day. Unfortunately, Tiffany did not have the piece when I went into the store. I think one of the operators might have made a mistake when I called on the phone, because they had told me they had it, and then when I showed up, they actually had a different letter piece than the one that I was inquiring about. Nonetheless, customer service was excellent, and they had it express shipped to my house. So hopefully by the time I get back from doing my morning workout, the package should have arrived, so I could do the unboxing for you guys and show you what I picked up for my sister. Since it's a new day, I could just kind of like tell you guys about my workout. So pretty much I have to do this intermittent fasting solo workout by myself. So I do like a 4-mile walk solo every day. It takes me about like 45 minutes to an hour. I get a nice sweat in, and it's been working. I've been doing it for like, I want to say like a month and a half now, and I've been seeing differences. I don't know if you guys have. I know in the videos I could see it got slimmed up a little bit in my face and in my upper body. So it's been good. I like the workouts. And then after this I have to do damn, I'm tired. I have to do a 1-hour workout with my trainer. But it's been good. So just wanted to share a little bit of that. If anybody wants to maybe pick up personal training or anything like that, I can recommend my trainer who does it via Instagram Live, and I could share it. If you guys DM me or comment below, I'll be happy to share the info if you guys want to be healthy and stay fit. And if not, if you guys are already healthy and fit, then it's amazing. God bless. But yeah, hopefully the Tiffany package arrives by the time I'm finished with both of my workouts when I get back home, and then we could just jump into the unboxing and I could share some details about what I picked up for my sister. So I'm gonna finish up my workout and hop back into this a little bit later. Hey guys, so the package arrived from Tiffany's finally. I'm gonna attempt to rip this open with one hand, even though it's probably gonna be a struggle. Probably just rip this. You know what? I'm gonna put the camera down, rip this open, and then show you guys what I bought my sister. Hell yeah, there we go. Finally got it open. So this is how it comes packaged. I'm just gonna try not to ruin this because I want her to be able to open this on her own. It comes packaged like that, so the packaging is actually very nice. Oh, there it is. Just slide it out of here. I'll probably undo this real quick so I can show you guys what I got her, and then I'm gonna put it right back. Alright, so finally got it unboxed. So this is what I got for my sister, which she could hopefully one day pass down to my niece. It's the Tiffany & Co. I think this is just called like the round. I'll put the name of it because I forgot. But anyways, it's just like a very subtle inscribed letter piece in sterling silver. It says Tiffany & Co. on the back. So just something to remind my sister of her newborn every day, and then she can get it one day when she gets old enough. So that's what I picked up from Tiffany & Co. Just a nice little thing to pass down throughout the years. So shout out to Tiffany & Co. and their customer service. Alright guys, so I just dropped off the gift for my sister. She absolutely loved it. So it made me really happy that she appreciated and loved it. So that pretty much wraps up the video. Also just want to say again to manifest, and just put out everything that you want into the universe, because you will get it. Me and Amber are currently working on our next mood boards and just pinning up our goals and what we're gonna strive to achieve. So definitely try mood boards, definitely try this writing things down that you want to accomplish, and go after them and don't give up. There's gonna be harder days than some, but in the end we're all gonna get exactly what we want. So as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. To all my new subscribers, welcome again. And we have a lot of new content. I'm planning on doing the boot collection video probably for the vlog after this, so stay tuned to that for all my boot lovers. And yeah, I got a couple other surprises for you guys coming out soon, so stay tuned to that. As always guys, check me out on the next one. Later.